Now, after the aftermath, like the after effect of that is going to send Bitcoin to the moon. Would not be surprised to see a $500,000 Bitcoin, $1 million Bitcoin in the next 12 to 18 months.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best.
Bitcoin and altcoins in the month of February has continued to bleed, but I believe a recovery is on the horizon. And in the rest of today's video, I'm going to share with you why I believe this and why many others think that this could be one of your last opportunities to stack some cheap altcoins and some cheap Bitcoin. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. If you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. On the monthly, it's been very red. But today on the daily, we're starting to get some green coming back into the market. And the reason why we're getting some green is because I believe we're starting to see a recovery. And I'm not the only one that believes this. Sheldon the Sniper has some great TA for us here about why he believes a recovery could be on the table.
Basically looking at the flush out. So what happens? The market goes sideways, kind of gets people disinterested and kind of gets people to kind of like, start doubting crypto. And then what happens is it starts to show a little bit of life. Okay, then they kill, right? And the big question today is, was this enough? We came straight back and tested the lows over here. Altcoins are now breaking some trends. Okay, and I want to show you today how we're going to determine, okay, is this enough? Because again, after this last shakeout, guys, you are going to get the reversal. Okay, the question though, is the shakeout a little bit lower? Or was that the shakeout yesterday that we saw? Because again, we look at the dominance. Dominance wants to come down, baby. Dominance is starting to reject. So your altcoins are starting to bounce nicely. I see Sonic. These tokens are looking good. I even see Sol's bounce. We're going to speak about, is the Sol bottom in, right? But ultimately, what you have here is the shakeout phase over here. And again, we know the reversal is coming. We know that the weekly stocks are at the bottom. We know that the total 3 stocks are at the bottom. This is telling you that a big part of your portfolio, the entries are running out.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we make videos every single day for you, updating you on markets, the news, as well as what is happening in real time. These markets are very time sensitive and so are these videos. We're approaching 500,000 subscribers though. Thank you so much for all of your support. Now, I'm still a big believer in the meme coin super cycle. We're seeing that. And I believe this is a big trap right now. There is too much big news happening. And I want to share with you what's really going on in Bitcoin. You can see here that according to Bitcoin Magazine, that Bitcoin is likely to become a more common corporate treasury holding. And looking at the total markets, Miles said here, markets look bleak and everyone is calling for the death of altcoins, but could we be in store for a bounce soon? February has historically marked a local bottom on others' BTC ratio at this stage of the 4-year cycle. What if? And you can see here down in February, it looks like we're making a bottom. 2021 marked a bottom. 2017 marked a local bottom. Now you're also seeing here that over the past 24 hours, net inflows have bridged out of Solana and into EVM chains like Ethereum, Arbitrum, which is hyperliquid, Base, and Avalanche. When the music slows down in one place, people will look for the opportunity elsewhere and are starting to experiment with other chains. Now you also see here, Crypto Rover said, don't fall for the bear trap. Bitcoin will pump and altcoin season is coming soon. And I believe that, yes, we are right here at that bear trap moment. Now, we could be wrong. This could go a little lower. No one knows for sure. But what I am seeing is that right now, after the first little excitement, after we've broken all-time highs, we typically get a retracement. And this is because the Trump inauguration, altcoins going crazy. We had a lot of other things happening in the market. This then, again, sell off here. People take profits. That's what happens in markets. Then, though, I believe the euphoria, the FOMO, and everything is going to follow here very soon. Let me share with you a great clip from another YouTuber, Suppoman. Now, he has made an amazing little analogy here of what you should be doing if you're trading altcoins. And I think this is a great analogy to share with you because right now in the market, everything is really about trading rather than long-term investing and holding, especially now for where we're at in the cycle. And that's because I don't think we're in this bear market accumulation phase for over years. That part of the cycle is over. We have already seen a lot of excitement and we're about to get into the last stage of the market cycle. So how should you be navigating this market? Well, here's what these markets really do.
The market is and always will be a series of pumps and then dumps. A mixture of greed and then fear. And when you've been in the market for 8 years, you see cryptos for what they really are. They're neither a scam nor are they incredible. They are purely vehicles. Vehicles that get you from A to B. Whether that is a 10x or a 100x, that is what a crypto is. A vehicle to make money. In the right market conditions, a vehicle can look like this. The supercharged engine and a rocket pack that will get you to your 100x. And under the wrong market conditions, a vehicle will look like this. 4 flat tires, banged up engine, and get you nowhere. That's why when you invest in cryptocurrencies, you get in the cryptocurrencies that give you a signal. A signal they are on the up.
So over the last month, the signal has been a little bit bearish, but right now, I believe positioning yourself for that next rocket ship moment could be right around the corner. And let me share with you why Bitcoin leads this market. And by simply looking at the charts here, you can see Bitcoin has been pumping up and to the right with these small monthly corrections, but the trend is still your friend until it's breaking its trend, and it hasn't broken trend just quite yet. It's gotten close, but it hasn't yet. Many are calling for hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in the Bitcoin price.
Now, after the math of aftermath, like the after effect of that is going to send Bitcoin to the moon. Would not be surprised to see a $500,000 Bitcoin, $1 million Bitcoin in the next 12 to 18 months.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. It's not like Google and Facebook. It's not like Apple and Amazon. Yeah, we can debate Apple or Amazon, what's better. They both look like tech monopolies to me. They both look pretty good. On the other end, Bitcoin or no, Bitcoin.
The trend is clear to me. Bitcoin, ever since its inception, has continued to climb up and to the right. And it is inevitable, in my opinion, right, my opinion, that this is going to continue up and to the right for a very long time. Now, there's going to be shakeouts, there's going to be FUD, there's going to be sell-offs, as we can see here. But what I want you to understand is that Bitcoin is your North Star, and it's going to drag up a lot of these altcoins, which right now are lagging behind. The altcoins always lag behind, but if you can find the right altcoins, which is what we share with you here on this channel, as well as updates on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is our North Star, this is where you can hit those crazy multiples. So to recap in today's video, what I really want to teach you is that cryptocurrencies are what they are. They're not good nor bad. They're not bullish or bearish. They're literally, just as Suppoman said, a vehicle to help you multiply your money. So if you like money and you like crypto, make sure you keep coming back to the channel, because we have been posting videos every single day here for the last 5 years. And I've been in crypto myself for the last 7 years, and I've seen all the craziness in the market. You can see here that they go red, they go green, they go up, they go down. They got this coin, and then that coin's moving over here. And look, the truth of the matter is if the market is going to move up, you don't want to miss these moves. You want to be here and you want to educate yourself now more than ever, because I believe an altcoin season is going to be coming. That is because it's not an altcoin season right now. Again, most people have the psychology backwards when it comes to crypto. I went to school for psychology. I have an education in psychology. And I believe that when people are going, oh, we're never going to get an altcoin season. Oh, altcoins are down. Oh, altcoins are bleeding. That's where there's opportunity, right? When altcoins were pumping back here all the way in December, right, where you can see that we also had altcoin season here, altcoin season here, altcoin season here. This is when you sell the altcoins, the tops here, right? Buy low, sell high. So to me, we're not in altcoin season just quite yet, but altcoin season is coming. This euphoric moment is coming. You don't end markets when things are very bearish, typically, okay? Like anything can happen, of course. Black swans, crazy things can happen. What I want to teach you and share with you in this moment is I believe there's genuine opportunity, and I think that the reversal is coming very, very soon. So if you want to know what cryptocurrency coins I'm buying and selling and why, click the link down below, and I teach you exactly how I was on the right side of altcoin season 4 years ago and how I made $200,000 in 1 week trading crypto. So if you're ready to learn with me, click the links down below, join us in VIP, because I was able to do this firsthand. I know exactly what is going to happen next, I believe, and nobody knows with certainty, but I'm pretty confident that an altcoin season is coming. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next videos.